Hey guys, PepperAmmy here. This week we are making fresh green pesto. Now this can be used on a range of food like dressing salads and topping pastas. Now to start, you will of course need some fresh basil. Do not dare try and do this with dry basil. I personally haven't, but I can't imagine it would be any good. Now you want around 2 cups or 2 good handfuls of leaves. Now you can of course use the stalks if they are nice and fresh and then not woody. And you want to make sure you pick out any dry or damaged looking leaves. Then you just want to add all of that to a food processor. Next, add in half a cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese and crush and peel 2 cloves of garlic. Now remember, you want to crush your garlic that will release the allicin, which is of course the chemical that makes garlic, well, garlicky. Now while your garlic is releasing the allicin, you want to toast 50 grams of pine nuts. Now these are kind of pricey, but they are worth it. Now you want to toast them until they are slightly browned and fragrant, which will just add a deeper layer of flavour to your pesto. Then you just want to simply blend everything together until it is all well chopped. Now whilst the food processor is running, you want to slowly pour in some olive oil until it is nice, glossy and smooth. Now you don't want to pour in too much, otherwise it will be too runny and liquidy. And then once blended, you want to taste for seasoning, add in a sprinkle of salt and pepper to taste, scrape down the sides of your food processor and pour into a suitable storage container. Now I personally chose to add mine to some freshly cooked pasta, just a few teaspoons and stir to coat, serve and enjoy. And there you have it, fresh basil pesto in a super quick and easy. And chances are this is probably going to be one of my shortest videos. But as always, if you like what you saw, let me know down below with a like and a comment. If you are indeed new here, feel free to subscribe for free weekly cooking content. We recently passed 400 subs, which is absolutely amazing. I never thought I'd get past 150 to be honest. But anyway, as always, thanks for watching.